Today I am going to show you how to install a new domain controller in VMware workstation. So first of all, we have to go to the option of create a new virtual machine, and then we will get a console. Welcome to the new virtual machine wizard. Here we'll find two options. The first is typical and another is custom. If you select custom, you have to make many settings. If you select typical, it's default, and I also selects always typical, the default one, because you don't need to make many settings if you go with this option. So we'll go with typical, and then next, and here you will find three options in this console. The first is install disk. Here no drives are there, and second is installer disk image file. Here you need to select as image of whatever software you want to install. And the third is I will install the operating system later. So I will select this one. I will install operating system later. And next, in next window you will find a list of names, means what kind of operating software you are going to install. First is Microsoft Windows, second is Linux, third is Novel, Solaris, VMware EXX. Let's say if you are installing VMware VMware, so you need to select this VMware ESX. In my case, I'm going to install Microsoft Windows software, so I'll select Microsoft Windows, and then I need to select next, and here I have to give a name of this machine. See, our machine is loading, friends. We got a screen here. In this screen, this is Windows setup screen, means server setup screen. In this screen, it is asking us whether we want to change the language and keyboard's language. So we want, in my case, I don't want to change it because English United States, it's fine for me, and keyboard is also fine. So I'll go with the default one, and I will press next. So after pressing next, it is telling me install now, and immediately it will ask me licensing key. So here we are, it is asking us licensing key, so we need to give licensing key. Now I will put KQW4N, KQW4N, VQR3F, DXV7H, K7KVT, and HFQWM. This is the license key for this Windows Server 2012 operating software. So I'm pressing next. I hope we have done some mistake here. KQW4N, VQR3F, DXV7H, K7KVT, HFQWM. So friends, I think I have to press here M. So next, yes, instead of M I put N there, so that was a mistake. So here it is asking us which kind of installation we want. We want server core installation. Server core means command line interface, or we want graphical user interface. Server core with GUI means server core command line as well as graphical user interface. So we will go with both command line and graphical user interface. In this interface, we have a facility that in running situation of the server machine, we can immediately move to command line, and immediately we can move to graphical user interface. So this is one of the great feature of Windows Server 2012. So I'll press here next. After pressing next, it is asking us the agreement, whether we want to accept. Yes, I'm accepting this, and it's telling that which type of installation do you want. Install Windows and keep file settings and applications upgrade. Yes, I'm good with the upgradation, so no, we'll go with custom, because we have to make partitions in our drive. So here I will make partition. It comes in MB, so I have to select 15,300 and 15,000. Let's say 15,000 and apply. So again 15,000. Oh, sorry, I gave one more 0. So apply, and again 15,000 I'm giving here. So it is making 4 partitions. So this is fine. Next, here we are, our installation process started now. So here it is asking us password. So any password you can set. See, as we are working in a lab environment, so I think that it's good if we give an easy password. So in my case, I'm setting one easy password here. So it's done, finish. Now window is finalizing. So here we are, we got our server now. So it is telling us press Control Alt Delete to sign in. But friends, here actually, if you want to get the access, if you want to get the access screen, we need to ping this option where we are seeing 3 monitors. You can see these 3 monitors. So just click it here. It will ask you password. Give the password and you will get your access. So see, we are getting our first access. Our server is ready now. After getting the main screen, we have to make some initial settings here, as we need to set the time and the date. We have to give an IP address to the machine, and also we need to change its name. So first of all, we'll go to local server. Here we can see that computer name is something different, so we have to give here some computer name as we like. So in my case, after clicking this option, I got this small screen, this is small console. Here I have to again click change. Here I will give one name. Let's say I will give this name MEM-2. Okay, press OK. Then immediately it will ask us that I want to restart. So we need to say OK, and we need to say close. But the last screen, it is asking that whether I should restart or not. So here it's better if we select restart later, because still we need to set many things. Let's say firewall it is still on till the installation process. It's fine that if we make it off. So turn Windows firewall off. But in production environment it is not recommended, as we are working on live environment. I'm making it off. So this is firewall is off now, and we need to enable remote desktop. Here we need to select allow, OK, apply. Allow the connections only from computers running remote desktop with network level authentication. We need to uncheck this, because we want that it will get connections from every computer, every machine. So say apply and OK. Then here there is option of NIC theming. This is something different. We will discuss about this subject in later videos. So in the last one we can see this Ethernet card setting. Here we need to provide an IP address to our machine. So double click properties, select IPv4, but here we have to uncheck IPv6 option, because if you keep both options checked it will create some conflict, so it's better if make it off. Here we have to give manual IP address. In my case I'm going for C 192.168 1.10. I think you know that this is IP address from class C. And default gateway, you know that default gateway means always it will be the IP address of our router. In my case there is no router, but I am assuming that I have a router, so I am giving an IP address here 100. The 100 is my IP address of router. Preferred DNS server, here also I will give preferred DNS server IP address, the same IP address which I am assigning to my machine, because still I don't have any preferred DNS server here, because I don't want to connect this machine to any other connection. I want that it should become primary domain controller. So in my case I am giving the same IP address for preferred DNS server also. So say OK and OK. So you can see that the process of making connectivity started, and they also exchange the data packets. From here it sends 8591 data packets and receive 2008. So it will continue. Once we restart the system it will work fine, but before this we need to set few things. Let's say this one, the time zone we need to select, change the time. Before changing the time it's better to change the time zone. Here we need to select Calcutta, Bombay, this one. Okay, and so here we need to now change the timing. So what is the time now? It is 9:45. I will change this time setting to 9:45. Okay, fine. So the time is also changed now. So we have done with initial setting now. So now we can restart our server. So I'm going to restart my server now. Shut down. See, maybe you observe one thing, that whenever we are trying to restart or shut down any server, it is giving a message that choose a reason that best describe why you want to shut down this computer. This option have been kept by Microsoft itself, because maybe unfortunately by mistake if somebody shuts any server, it will create a big impact in the network, and users will get a huge downtime, and business it will get huge loss. So that's why this kind of option has been kept here. You need to you will not be able to shut down any server by mistake, so you need to provide a valid reason why you want to shut down or restart the server. So in my case I'm giving this reason. Okay, fine. Now our server is going shut down. Whatever initial settings we have made, that is fine or not. Before I show that, if you press this 3 Windows symbol, you can log in your server, but there is also one shortcut key, Control+Alt+Insert. If you press this combination like this way, also you can press like this way also you can log in your server. So now the server is up. So once it comes up, we'll check out the IP address which we have set, and the name what we have given, that is fine or not. So viewers, see, the name is also fine, and the IP address 192.168.1.10, that is also fine, and the time zone and everything setting is fine. So so viewers, this is complete installation of a Windows server. So please subscribe, and if you like, please share my video. Thank you very much.